Here we have a Lexus RX 450H, and what we've done is installed a Pandora Mini BT, which is a Category 1 thatch improved alarm immobiliser. Now what it does, it works in conjunction with the factory alarm system, so that's not removed. This alarm system just sits on top of it, so it gives you the added extra protection that's required on these cars. Now this car comes with a smart key, like one of these. Now the easy method of stealing these is actually cloning that key and what they call the relay theft of the vehicle, and that's the easy way of doing it. But what they've done, they've found other methods of stealing it, so not actually have to clone these keys anymore. They have found other methods of stealing these cars. Now it's a weakness with a Lexus, with this particular way of stealing the car, and it does extend to the Toyota brand as well. And as a result, we're now starting to see a lot of these sort of vehicles being stolen on the roads in the UK. So an extra bit of security is really advisable, and it will make sure that your pride and joy won't disappear. So using the factory keyless system, at the moment you have to have a tag which is unique to the Pandora alarm system, and without the tag it won't actually disarm the alarm system and you won't be able to get started. So the tags are currently invisible to the alarm system that's been installed. So if I unlock it, it unlocks the doors, that you can't stop from happening. And then it'll spend 5 seconds looking for the tag, can't see the tag, the alarm's gone off. If you come round here, so if I try to start it, absolutely nothing, it will not start. And bear in mind this is hybrid as well as being petrol. Even in the hybrid mode, the electric mode, it won't start. So what I'm going to do is introduce a tag, which is what we got here, and it's that there. And now I'm going to unlock the doors. It has disarmed the alarm system. If you come round, now the alarm system can see this tag, it all starts. It's all very quiet because it started on the electric mode, but as you can see, if I go into drive, it will drive. As it's not started on the petrol, but on the electric mode. And as addition to this alarm system, you get tilt sensor, motion sensor, shock sensor, warn-away shock sensor. So as an alarm system, it is quite comprehensive. The important part of it, obviously, is the immobilisation. But any intrusion into it is going to trigger the alarm system off. Any of the doors, the boot, the bonnet. So even if they've mimicked the key, or if they've doing it in the methods that they're doing at the moment, they're going to gain entry, but the alarm system is going to go off and the immobilisation is going to kick in. So they're not even going to get it started. And they're going to make themselves known that they're messing around the car because there's an audible siren. So this is the Lexus RX 450H, and we installed the Pandora Mini BT.